Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of any property. Whether you're a homeowner upgrading for better insulation or a business owner seeking a sleek, professional appearance, replacing your windows is a significant investment. However, even the highest quality windows can underperform if not installed correctly. This is why professional installation for window replacement in West Valley City is essential. In this article, we'll explore why hiring experts for window replacement is the best choice for your property and the long-term benefits it provides. Why professional installation matters. Precision and expertise. Window installation is a precise process that requires in-depth knowledge of materials, measurements, and techniques. A small misstep, such as a misaligned frame or improper sealing, can lead to air leaks, water damage, and decreased energy efficiency. Professional installers in West Valley City have the expertise to ensure your windows are installed flawlessly, providing a tight seal and proper fit. Energy efficiency. West Valley City experiences diverse weather conditions, from hot summers to chilly winters. Poorly installed windows can result in drafts and energy loss, increasing your utility bills. Professional window replacement ensures optimal insulation, keeping your home comfortable year-round and helping you save on heating and cooling costs. Long-term durability. Windows are an investment that should last for decades. Improper installation can compromise the lifespan of your windows, causing issues such as warping, cracking, or moisture infiltration. By hiring skilled professionals, you can trust that your windows will remain durable and functional for years to come. Benefits of professional window replacement services. Enhanced aesthetic appeal. Your windows are a prominent feature of your home or business. Poorly installed windows not only look unappealing but can also diminish the overall value of your property. Professional installation guarantees clean lines, smooth operation, and a polished appearance that enhances your property's curb appeal. Access to quality materials. Reputable window replacement companies in West Valley City often have access to premium materials and brands. They can recommend the best options for your needs, whether you're looking for energy-efficient double-pane windows, modern casement windows, or custom designs. Compliance with building code. West Valley City, like many areas, has specific building codes and regulations for window replacement. Professional installers ensure your project adheres to all local requirements, saving you the headache of potential fines or code violations. Warranty protection. Most window manufacturers offer warranties that are contingent on proper installation. Hiring certified professionals protects your investment by ensuring your warranty remains valid. The risks of DIY window replacement. Some property owners may consider DIY window replacement to save money. However, this approach can lead to costly mistakes. Here are the primary risks. Incorrect measurements. Windows must fit precisely into the frame to function correctly. Even a minor miscalculation can lead to air leaks, structural issues, or additional expenses. Improper sealing. Without professional sealing techniques, windows may allow moisture infiltration, leading to mold, rot, or damage to your walls. Lack of tools and expertise. Professional installers use specialized tools and techniques to achieve a secure fit. Attempting a DIY installation without these resources can result in subpar results and safety hazards. Time-consuming process. Installing windows is labor-intensive and time-consuming, especially for inexperienced individuals. Professionals complete the job efficiently, minimizing disruption to your routine. Choosing the right professionals in West Valley City. When selecting a company for your window replacement project, consider the following: experience and reputation. Look for a company with a proven track record and positive reviews from local customers. Certifications. Ensure the installers are certified and trained in the latest techniques and products. Comprehensive services. Choose a provider that offers consultation, installation, and post-installation support. Warranty and guarantee. Opt for a company that backs its work with warranties for peace of mind. Conclusion. Professional installation for window replacement in West Valley City is an investment in your property's comfort, energy efficiency, and value. By hiring experienced installers, you ensure your windows are properly fitted, securely sealed, and built to last. Avoid the risks of DIY installation and trust the experts to provide a seamless, stress-free experience. Whether you're upgrading for improved insulation, a modern look, or both, professional window replacement is the key to maximizing your investment. Contact a trusted provider in West Valley City today and transform your property with expertly installed, high-quality windows.